Hi everyone! Let's learn conjunctions. Conjunctions are words that can connect two independent clauses to form a sentence. For example, clause 1 and clause 2. The words that can connect clause 1 and clause 2 are fanboys, for, and, nor, but, or, yet, and so. For shows reason or purpose. We love to listen to Anna, she sings sweetly. We love to listen to Anna, for she sings sweetly. And is used to connect two or more ideas. Maya is a graceful dancer. People enjoy watching her. Maya is a graceful dancer and people enjoy watching her. Nor is used to pair two negative items. Ali didn't return my calls, he didn't respond to any of my texts. Ali didn't return my calls, nor did he respond to any of my texts. But shows contrast or exception. My grandfather is old, he is active in sports. My grandfather is old but he is active in sports. Or shows choice or option. He can buy the book. He can borrow from the library. He can buy the book or borrow from the library. So shows consequence, cause and effect. Ravi felt cold. He put on his jacket. Ravi felt cold, so he put on his jacket. Yet also shows contrast or exception, similar to but. They did not succeed. They did not give up. They did not succeed, yet they did not give up. That's all for today. I hope all of you understand how to use fanboys. Thanks for watching.